Curly! Curly! I mean, speak my mind, Curly. Where you do to my door, man? Where you do to my door? Me come for beg you, Curly, please. Please, me I beg you, Curly. Don't report me for cyberbullying, Curly, please. Please, me I beg you. And me I beg you, nobody sue me, Curly, please, me I beg you. Remember, what do you hear you say? Your Majesty, it no make no sense him sue Sophie, because Sophie nah no money. Yeah, so you gonna sue me? I mean I have no money, Curly. Curly, me poor in a Curly. Me not have nothing in a life, Curly. Do no report me for cyberbullying. And no sue me, Curly, cause me broke. You not gonna get nothing. Curly, the car me I drive a 31-year-old, please, Curly, don't sue me. What's up, speak my mind, family? What's up? I hear Curly talk up a bag of things. But Curly, me hear you a talk, but where you a chat don't faze me. Go check out Miss Daisy. Nothing where you chat can't faze me. No other things say you can't fool me. Go on to Africa, go buy your voodoo, Curly, cause you can't hold me. Speak my mind, people. As me saying, me a Curly a chat a bag of things. Curly say, oh, see that little blue tick there? You see that little blue tick there? Yes, Curly. Now make the blue tick when you get over Facebook fool you. Please don't make the blue tick when you get over Facebook fool you. You understand? Now feel like the blue tick when you get over Facebook, you can't come dictate anything to Facebook and you can't come dictate anything to YouTube. You understand? And make sure that blue tick there turn you in a millionaire now, because you must figure more or less say you get $1 million, $500,000, $10,000 when you get the blue tick, you come and boast about blue tick. You should have get blue tick 20 years ago. You just get blue tick and come and create excitement. The way you have found that for Facebook and you have found that for this social media page and platform, Curly. You should have get blue tick long time. You should have run past blue tick and get yellow and black and pink, you know. Curly. Me and you talk about you go to Africa for some of them and you have the whole of them picture. Curly. It don't make sense you go turn a dopey in a dopey. Because me a dopey already. So how you go turn dopey in a dopey, Curly? I only get up every day and I talk about God. And a beer iniquity in on the head. But you have one card where you don't use it. That's why I love America, so. Because you can't get this whole heap of free credit card, this card, warrant card. And then when you stress out for pay back the money now, you come over on a social media platform and take it out from people. Curly. You all come and talk about cyberbullying, Curly. You know the meaning of cyberbullying? You need to go and consult your dictionary. Go and consult your dictionary, Curly. And find out what's the meaning of cyberbullying. Because if you say me a cyberbully you, where you are do the rest of people them, AD and the same Your Majesty and all the rest of people them, what you do to them? When you come out on your platform, come body shame and discriminate the woman from Mountain View and so many others, Curly, and cuss up your whole heap of cloth and if you come kiss go under me and come lollipop under me. How no mama this, how no papa that, how no a taranat. And now the wheel of fortune turn. Because watch it, you know, and you put yourself in the line of fire, you know. And once you put yourself in the line of fire, you must brave enough to stand up and fight for your country. Fight for your rights. Fight for your truth. Fight for what you believe in. You know. Don't put yourself in the line of fire and then when your enemies return fire, you sit down and play a victim. And come with white towel and throw in. So you never think about the consequence before you put yourself in the line of fire. Every day you come about content and you're a big deal and you're a star and you're this and people are living off of your content and people are living off of your name. I tell you already, nobody not living off of your name. Because you should be ashamed that your own name. You can't make no money off of your own name. And other people are use your name and make money. You should be ashamed to say that, man. And you say it's a big deal. Once you come out and talk crap, you're supposed to make money. Once you come out and say anything, for you go and walk me your mouth if you make money. So as we tell you, it's not your name. It's the content behind your name. So when you put yourself in the line of fire, Curly, and people come out at you, don't come talk about and make yourself look foolish about people if you use your name for make money and you pay them and you feed them. You not feed nobody. Why you feed people and you are dead for hungry? And you know your name can't feed you. And you allow people if you use your name. You understand? You can't strike my page. The reason why you can't strike my page, I am not a content sharer. You have to go strike the people them page on Facebook where you and them come to no verbal agreement. Because you must come to verbal agreement with them for them share your content on them platform. Me you ball out pan King and whatsoever. And this is the thing. Before me even go in another part segment there. This is the thing. When it's like some dictator. And this is one to come on social media, come go on like you don't want to bully people. You understand? And dictate to people. And the things that we only don't want to say for yourself are it on the over phone platform I do. Because if you did stick to your little karaoke, your little drama, and your little ray and your little talk them what you have, and all them something there, nobody who comes out at you. But you insert yourself in a things where you go on. Just like lately with the two people in England. And you insert yourself in it and that draw you in the line of fire. And bloggers and waggers and saggers come out and talk for them mind, talk them truth. Who want dress up with them, want dress up with them, dress up. Who want fit in with them, want fit in. It's them believe. You have a problem with that. But you know, member and things say, same like the two people them that we are in gonna have them difference. And you insert yourself in it and make it look like you are this what I say now, lawyer or whatsoever, and you come out, you have documents, you have the letters and all of this. And a back all the way I go on when you know say nothing no go so. And something wrong you did that do. You never insert yourself in a people affair when it concern you. But no, people insert for themselves in a way you are do and come to make the public know how them feel about this, how them feel about that. You have a problem with it. And you come now to everybody might have, yes, I go at you, you have it to say everybody know I come down on you, so you start feel the pinch, so you have a problem with it. And a ball for bullying, and a ball for Facebook for take down people page, and a ball about you report people on YouTube. Go and go report me as you have a mind. Because what you're supposed to do, take time out and read YouTube guideline. You understand? That you have to do. Take time out and read YouTube guideline. Rules and regulation. Before you come talk about you go strike. You strike your friend them where you give authority. And this is it now. Because your friend, the people them where you give authority are privileged verbally. Like probably King because him carry so much of your content. Because in the man comment section or woman, I don't know, but it's a king, so almost a man. People are in the comment section commenting things that is not for your liking. You want to strike the man. Yeah, check the man saying to take down this because him not playing any part He might carry so much of your content and making thousands of dollars and whatsoever. But yet still, people are in him commenting derogative things about you, and him not delete the comment, and him have privilege to do that, and him not doing it. So to the man I use your content, he must allow the people them in the comment section to express themselves. I am not saying if people come in your comment, because even with you, there's people who come in my comment with some, derogative comments, and me might delete it. You have people who come in my comment and say things where me might not agree with it, but I allow them to have them freedom of speech. But the thing is, I might don't give the commenter art. Some of them, me definitely really not see them. You understand? So it's not every comment a person, a platform holder is going to see. Last time I go to my phone in the comment section and some rotted comment in there. When me never see them, and them the comment they gone from some video from how long. And me never see them. So when you come and go and like you want to chastise a person to, you allow them to use your content and people are comment underneath it. Him can't restrict who comment unless him go block the person. And the person's gonna build another page and comment again at the same for the same. When you see the comment, the message don't get across already. But at the same time, when you depend on your platform, you chastise Mountain View, body shame Mountain View, discriminate Mountain View, talk all kind of things in our personal business, and you have one particular person in your comment, when name Honey Girl, it come like a share, you tile it. So when you want to defecate, she there right there. Because there is no life when you miss that girl, that girl. And when she in your comment a style AD and a style other people, me no see you remove the comment. And if you have 50 comments on your comment section during doing a live, only girl do 25 out of the 50. And she always discriminate people. She always talk negative about Mountain View. She class Mountain View, she call her all kind of name. And I never ever see you, Curly, delete one of her comment. Or I never ever hear you call out and say, honey girl. No, not do that, not say that. Leave that part there alone. Or whatever. Because what? You are just the same thing like honey girl. You understand? But this is what you want to come tell other platform all have to do. Delete comment, remove comment, when you not doing the same thing. When your supporters are in your comment section beating down and chastising other people, discriminating and body shame and calling people all kind of name, you now remove for them comment. I don't know what position this honey girl work for on your platform. Because up to what? Last week, I don't see her as a moderator, but I think I wake up this morning. I was last night and see one live what you do. I don't quite remember. I must watch and see until you do another live to see. Because there is no live she no miss if she get a spanner. Because it come like she turn mechanic now. You finally give her a spanner. So it come like a dream come true if it becomes a moderator upon your program. You understand? You want to beat down people for things where you are do. You want to blame people for things where you are do. You put yourself in the line of fire and know when the fire reach you and the attack claps are come, you have a problem with it and a talk about people are cyberbullying you. You know what is the meaning of cyberbullying? None of my video you can say me cyberbully you. I comes out and I speak on behalf of what you say. I analyze what you say. I dissect what you say. You ever talk about, you report people pages and you make sure tell Facebook, I tell YouTube, all the negative names that them call you, all name where you bill. Because Curly, or you give yourself the name Curly. I don't know, nobody give yourself the name Curly. But yet still, that is a name where you say you report for sure you a liar is. Curly, as me saying, you can't face me. You can't dance to me. You can't make me get scared. You can't make me get coward. As me say, go check out YouTube guideline. I want to know listener. Listener keenly. Calling the boy in the car.
Understand, that is it.
Me all on
Una
Curly.
want bill pan my name and a tear woman down. Una never know so this. Una never know so me I go get mad. How long it take me not take this ras for? So much I wanna want to come bill. The boy all in the car billing page pan me, ridiculing me. 20
Curly. MC. KFC big deal. Go check again and look again. But everybody will do a video on your bill page over here. No, it's same thing. You bill for your one half for AD. I same thing, you know. Because over some 20 odd years on social media, you see one say, you never used to cuss this and you never used to cuss that, and you used to come and do your karaoke and your rare. And for the past 3 years to 4 years, I just so you find yourself start cuss. That is almost the exact time when the whole grudge start because of AD. And then people start comes out against you for it. So you start show a different side of you by cussing your whole heap of bad word. You understand? So it's not like say a people make you a cuss bad word, you know. Because you say what that you used to do. You understand? So when you come talk about your bill, me bill page off for your bill, what kind of page? You know where me I come from with my page? You know where me I come from with my page? And this is the thing with Uno now, you know. You see, most time, as me say, I blame people for things that Uno do. Because when I claim say people have a call on a name and rare. And I say, phone name not really show no weight. It's the content behind the name. And when you come out and say what you say, and a blogger come out with reasonable content that the subscribers, the strollers gravitate to, and them get them views, you know, have it for say, you know? It's like you don't want to try to say a phone name, I know the name. Because I can't do a video today with your name and I don't get much views. And tomorrow I do a video with your name again with a better content where the people them take on to and just blow out of the ear. That's how it goes. So it's not your name. Alright. So remember you know that.
4-7 talking all kind of thing about me. All kind of thing you talk about me. To build your page. That is the way you want to build a page? I report your blood clot 10 dozen times.
Curly, continue to report my page, Curly. Social media seems to be phone life. Social media is not my life. Social media come about for me, as me telling you, because of Corona. I was introduced to social media by friends many a times before Corona. You know, on a Facebook page. You know, on an Instagram page. So I don't want them something. I don't have time for them something. I'm a black and white person. I don't like the technology business. I stick with my black and white. But Corona forced me to go social media because in a lockdown you need things to keep your company when you have to go in your yard early and come off a road. So social media not my life, Curly. Social media phone life. And that's the reason why we're not buckle and a fight and a tag and war so hard feet. I want this status where you not get for over some 20 odd years on social media and not get certain status. You don't want certain status because you not jealous of people who come after you. You understand? Look how long every day you come a ball boy on social media and you have found for Facebook and all kind of taranat and warranat. But here still you just get a blue tick. You should have shame to say that. I just recently you move up to 4,000 sub. And you're a member of YouTube from 2016. Yes, you might never do nothing upon your program, upon your channel or nothing. But you were a big deal over Facebook. So once you join YouTube, you're supposed to carry over a portion to your people them over YouTube. So if you even never do nothing over YouTube of such, for garner any new subscribers, you're supposed to have a, you know, a amount of subscribers put on over there. And I just recently in the past couple of months since here, you're gone up to 4,000. I just meet my 4,000 yesterday. After 1 year and 5 months. I know you make me build my page curly and my content when I bring come. My drama when I add to my content. You understand? You talk about comedian. Those are the things when I add to my content. And just enjoy myself. And make a person wants, just as one person come in my comment one day and say shit, they make it a point of duty to watch one of my video them at daytime. It's not all of my video them me come out and do no little props and no little ray. But at the same time, somewhere along the line in the video, you go and get something to laugh about. And that's what I'm here for. To come and speak my mind, tell the truth when I see, and at the same time give people a laugh. I'm not here like Uno to be nickel nobody, cuss out nobody. You understand? See it right now, me write down all some part of your video for dissect, and I don't go bother dissect it. Because I just sign myself a flow, because this is me, Curly. So when you go talk about you go to Africa, you need to go to Africa to try make the man see a future. And give you a better future after 40 years. You understand? Instead of you go talk about you carry people picture go to Africa. And then when you get up and talk about God on the holy, on the spiritual, on the this. If you're spiritual, you know, sit down and talk to your God, man. Sit down and talk to your God. Where you want to go to Africa, go talk to one black God for? Where you want to go to Africa, go talk to one human God for? Talk to the God that everybody talk to every day. The God that now we can't see, we just can probably feel the spirit. Talk to the God there. You got to talk about Africa. Take the money because you need it. You understand? And that you want to use a credit card where you get for figure Africa, figure buy voodoo. Eh? And then now one bag of problem now for pay back that the money there. And then when you can't pay it back, you come on social media, come turn termite to people and leeches to people. And then got your bed taunted and haunted, and upon Father God, open a way for me tomorrow, Father God. Father God, I ask you in the name of Jesus Christ. I ask you to open a way for me, Father God. I owe this credit card bill for over 3 months now, Father God. And I can't see my way out, Father God. I've been doing the sheep business, Father God, for a while now. And them a bad mouth me, Father God. And from all the bad mouth I'm getting on these sheets set, Father God, my business slow down, Father God. They are bringing down my business, Father God. And I use that money to go to Africa, Father God, to walk some voodoo, Father God, and some people that is trying to carry me down. And that you want to do? When you never have to take the card go to Africa, take the card go refurbish, restock, and set up your life for a better future. And take your mind off of the whole social media cast. You understand? Me can't see what you call social media bullying, cyberbullying. Well, other people might do you that, but I am not the one who's doing you that. Not even the two worst person when me despise so much on social media. Pan me bully. More than them comes out and them behave in a shameful manner as a woman trying to carry down another woman, and them just live on the woman name, and me comes out and me take offense to it. And me come out and me in a business. Let me tell you this. Larry the Lizard and Sergey Body, I don't regret calling them no name. I don't regret dealing them no derogative way. I don't regret it. Because they are two persons who I despise in social media. Because they show no remorse in nobody at all, with a female and male, children, nobody. They have sympathy for nobody when them comes out on them platform. Them deal with you anyhow them want deal with you, tell lie upon you, discriminate you, body shame you. And there is so much fault they have. You understand?
Even if I have to come to Jamaica to your blood clot for bullying. Bullying law come out of Jamaica. A bully me live in Jamaica. You're lucky. Me I tell you. You think you're bad, you're not bad yet. You think
Man, I say I'm not bad. Me a one big coward, you say ya. If you make off of me with a sticker butter, me run gone. No care hot the sun is, and you back out a freezing sticker butter off of me and go so me gone. Cause me now wait for sister butter. So me a big coward. But me I go tell you again, Marcia. Make sure you get your facts right when you're forward. Alright? Make sure you know say a cyberbully you get cyberbully. So you need to differentiate what is cyberbullying. Go consult your dictionary, Curly, and see the meaning of cyberbullying and what cyberbullying is, what it looks like, what it sounds like. Don't run up in a platform, come tell public, but you get cyberbully from people who not cyberbullying you. I'm not going to say you might not get it elsewhere, but me not cyberbully you. So when you're ready, Curly, come to Jamaica. Come to Jamaica, Curly. Because I feel like you love talk about on a blue book, on a blue book, on a blue book. Like on a blue book, on extra powers. Not blue tick now, you know, on a blue book, on an American book. Like it going extra powers over nobody else. In any form of jurisdiction you want to go. So come to Jamaica. Because Biden are going to send lawyer for you. You understand? One of the captain them are going to carry you come here. Or Air Force one are going to carry you come here. Yeah, because you have blue book. So you're going to get special treatment for come to Jamaica, come deal with a court case. But make sure you have money. Make sure you talk about all you have to do is get doctor write a letter for you and say that you're sick, you cannot fly, and you go court by Zoom and way. Do all of that, Curly. Because you don't know who you're going to buck up in. So do it. Because you feel like say all your threat can daunt in my spirit and stop me from doing what I am doing. If you're not daunted your own spirit, when you call up people name and a body shame and a discriminate people, oh, you have come daunted me. This a boy was born in upon solid rock. Grew up on solid rock. And cannot be fazed easily by people like all you. You feel like say, you can't make me catch me afraid. You feel like say you can't make me catch me coward. And as me tell you, if me lose the page is nothing. You see from physically, me nah lose them, yeah, Curly. See from you can't come take me business. You see from you can't stop me from earn, Curly. You can't go on with all the phone. Not only the page, not only the channel, you can go on with the phone. And remember, Curly, as me tell you, me is not a spanner. I am an adjustable. So when one thing now work for me, and next thing have to work. You understand? Me that. Me is not a business person, me is an investor. So anywhere I have to go to invest my money, that's where I go. I don't sit and talk about I am a business owner and sit in business that not turning over cash. You understand? So come when you're ready, Curly. Me ready for you.
get one blue stick for her name to do? Me a big star. Me a big deal. Tell her say if she bad. If she bad, go share one video with me. Tell her.
There you go, Curly. Who would have in them right mind now? Go take your content if you and them not have an association and share it on them page when them know they can get a strike for it. So what you try to prove? Shit, that observer now go take your content and go share on our page and she know she can get a strike for it because you and her no good. If you and King good and you start threatening him already, and all along you and him good, nobody now go take your content and go put on them channel. And them know it's a violation if you decide to strike. And there you go, a talk about blue tick. You just get a blue tick, not even, I don't even think it's 48 hours yet. And you're in social media for umpteen years. With so many people who comes after you and before you have blue tick long time. And you just get it and come and brag on a boss. You understand? Then suppose the blue tick did come with one 10,000 US dollars and you get a personal check every week just to support the blue tick. Then couldn't talk to you.
When me see, una going from bad to worse. Una never know say a time you're going to come. Una never know. Me tell you a long time in me.
But people, you see in this video, you see the same demonic argument that she come up with our phone and come and tell people how much our phone, nothing wrong with our phone, a brand new phone she have. You see that video, my people, if you don't find it, it named Let's Have a Chat. But I don't think it upload on our page because I go on the page and it never did it. I stole and find it back. You understand? But it named Let's Go because she like the live did stop and she started back. 25 minutes into the live, this live what she do. You see the same sound where you get from the phone when she claim to say the demonic vibe come through the voice come through the phone when time she da listen down a live and she blow it out of proportion. See, let me tell you now, 25 minutes into this live, the same thing happening on the phone and she talk on the phone. Up to 38 minutes, it happen consecutively in and out, in and out, in and out. Up to 38 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, hear that little sound in our phone, but here still our sound, our phone, nothing wrong with it. And she come out and claim to say a demonic voice she hear in a Dana live. You saw them still? All those things you come out and you talk about the woman. For no reason at all, you have no proof, no evidence. What you call all those things? And no body shame, and no discrimination, and no bullying, and what? But remember this, Marcia. God a plan, man a plan and God a wipe. You understand? So, you say same like how you plan for report people page. There is so many people we're out there ready and willing to report your own them. You understand? And if you take the route there, the petition will start. You understand? Because if you can do so much, and nobody now report your page to come down, but you want to report people page to come down where you insert yourself in them business. No worry. You understand? Just play the game. Because we can play it too. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know? Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Me not the car, but I can't turn on the AC because me have one of those wave view mirror phone stand and the right hand of the AC vents that gonna make too much noise in the video. So just remember to watch the ads and please go over to the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and give me a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. Me just full of so much that I could go more without even dissect our video because me dissect. I have one video for dissect with her. There's a lot of things me never about to say. But Marcia, go on to Africa. Go on go buy your voodoo, your guzum. And me case come to Jamaica, come file your bullying lawsuit and whatsoever. But remember, go consult a dictionary what cyberbullying mean and find out. And remember to go read YouTube guideline what you can do as a platform holder from what you cannot do. Alright? Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.